is 149 and it is max points on our line. So it is given and given a points of array, okay, and points of I is xi and y, okay. So represents a plane on xy plane and that returns the maximum number of points that lies on the same straight line, okay. So maximum number of points we have to return between the given line, okay. So if we talk about, we have given points 1 1 1 2 1 3, right, in this example, right. 1 1 means this one and this one, right, 1 1. So when it will meet, right, this one, this at this point, so this is our 1 1, okay. Now if we'll talk about 2 2, similarly we will go to here and here, so we will reach here at 2 2. Next we have given like 3 3, okay. So we came here, right. So these are the points given, so this is the straight line we are getting, right. So it is saying on the same straight line how many points we will get. So at we will get 1 2 and this one is 3, so total point is 3, okay. So how we will implement, we have given this algorithm that iterate over all the points. We have to iterate all the points here, right, and then the current points is what, the point is points of I, right, and we have to maintain a hash map count, right, and to count all the angles, okay. Angles is like this was angle, this is angle, right, that we will I think you have already understood, right, you are an engineer. And for j not equal to I, then we have to calculate the align 2 of the vector points, point j minus point I, and then we will have the angle, right. So for each j not equal to I, we have to calculate the align 2 of the vector, that we can say if we have point 1 and point 2, so if is there maintaining a angle or not, right. For that what we have to do, points j minus point I you will get, and that we have to add onto the map, that this map, okay. Now what we have, let's k with the maximum number of occurrence of the some angle value in the hash map, right. We have total we have a maximum number of occurrence, that is k, right, of some angle is coming. Let's see 30 is coming, 30 degree is coming 3 to 4 times, okay. Then what we have to do, we have to update our answer k plus 1, right, because plus 1 is because the point also lies on the same line, right, and that's why we have to say that it's increasing, right, points is increasing. So we have to must include in this answer. But the prerequisite is to understand that what is math align, right. So math align actually doing, if we have xy plane, right, this one, and we have this x-axis and we have this y-axis. So if there is any point is here, right, so how much angle it is making, like this, right, how much angle is making theta, that will call it like 30 degree 45 degree, that is our ln to y into x, right. We have to pass always j and then x in the ln, okay, ln2 you can say. So there is a in the java we have math dot ln2 function that will give you the angle, like this we are talking about this theta. So this is google image, make sure do not get stuck in the our youtube, okay. Let's continue here. There is another prerequisite that if you know how to merge the hash map, it means we have map 1 and map 2, right. If you want to do merge, right, into the new one, that is merged map, so it will look like that. So we have to call always hash map dot merge means map. So first of all we have given what points we have given, right. This points is given, right, as a parameter here, as you can see here, right. This point is already given here. So what we will do, we'll find how many points we have, right. So length if we calculate, so this will give you the number of points, and this is nothing but we'll take as n, okay. So now points is number of points we have. Now we have to do, if we'll take if there is only one point, right. So this is our base condition, and we'll check if we have only one n points, it means we have to return that maximum point will be uh, maximum point is, this is the maximum point, right. Now now if we'll check, we'll take the result also, right. Let's initialize or take a result, okay. So result that we have to return total, okay. So we'll take a value from 2, okay. So it take a straight line, right? And it will take how many points? So at least 2 it should be, we have to take at initial value, right? So that we will update its value. How? We'll take for loop, right? And we'll take int I and we'll move to all the points. Okay, how will go? I should be what? Less than n and I plus plus. Now we have all the points. Now all the points we have, now have to make a map, right? So that map is, will take map, and this map will take what? One double and another is integer, right? And this is our we can say current, we can say, right? Our current map. Okay, and this will take new hash map, correct? Okay, now we have both. Now what we'll do, now current map we have, now we'll move to all the its, we have moved to all the I, and now we have to move to all the j, right? So for that we have to go to all the points, right? I and j, x and y, you can say. You can take x and y also. Now I'll take y as a j equal to 0, and we'll move j should be less than equal to what? N. If j is less than equal to n, right, and then j plus plus is, we are moving to the its another coordinate, right? Now we'll check if condition j is not equal to what? I. If j not equal to I means, let me give a little space. Yeah, if I not equal to j, then we have to merge, right? It means we have to merge this point, right? How we'll do that? We will take the current, on the current we'll to call a merge function, and we'll store the value here, right? How we'll do that? We have a math and dot take al alan 2. We'll take alan 2, right? Why it is not showing alan 2? It will take, let's see, math dot alan 2, and then we have to provide the points. We have the points, and this will point is what? J and 1, and we have to do what? Minus points at what? I and 1, correct? So we have got this point, right? Now after this, what we will do? We have to take another points, that is what? Points for j and 0, all 4 coordinate we will take, and points at what? We have point j, and now we will take I, and this is 0, correct? Then after this one, right, what we have to do? We have to take one, it's integer sum, right? We'll take integer sum value, integer, and then call like java 8 sum, a reference call, right? That is done. So now we have merged the points, right? Now we will have our result. This is our result, and result is what? Math dot max we are taking, and this is what? This is our result, and all the collections we have, right? From the collection we'll quote its max value, collection dot max, collections dot max, and we'll pass what? Our current map that we have created here, right? And we merge the value dot all the values that have we will get all the values, right? And so that we'll say that after this we'll do plus 1. This is plus 1. And finally after that we will return result. Okay, yeah, it's working fine. Let's understand the complexity now. So now complexity is what we have given: time complexity on square and space complexity on. Why? Because we have given n points, right? So that we have to calculate all on of n2, right? We will get the all the theta, that is the angle, right? We will get, right? And it will insert them into HashMap, right? That will take o1. And so that we have to find the maximum frequency of the angle, and so it will take what, on, right? So we are doing this for all the points, right? That's why we are getting on square. But when we are going for the space complexity, on means we store the value into the ln2 into the map, right? So HashMap takes the value, that is only we are taking one for all the n, and that is our HashMap, and that is why it's getting on.